The Ninja CREAMi NC701 ice cream maker is a versatile kitchen appliance that transforms a wide range of ingredients into delicious frozen treats with just a button press. Featuring 13 unique programs, it offers a variety of options from classic ice cream to protein-packed, low-calorie desserts, catering to every preference. The innovative Creamify technology ensures that you can enjoy smooth and creamy soft serve at home, making it feel like you have a personal ice cream shop on your countertop. With its ability to customize flavors and control ingredients, this ice cream maker supports dietary preferences including low sugar, dairy-free, and vegan options. The device is designed for family-friendly fun with its automatic soft-serve handle and 3-speed settings, making it easy for everyone to create swirled cones. Cleaning is a breeze, as the Ninja CREAMi NC701's components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, adding convenience to its already impressive functionality.